If you're a beginner learning Italian, then I'm certain that you are so ready to hop into conversation. And recently, I received this email from my client, Anna. She says, we went to this teeny tiny cheese salami shop in Florence. I tried to converse with the owner, who was a super sweet older gentleman. He showed me old pictures of his dad in front of the store, and I could figure out that he was telling me the store had been in his family for 100 years. Then he showed me pictures of his son holding a baby pig and of the farm where he is raising the pigs. Even though he spoke very little English and I spoke little Italian, we were still able to have a wonderful exchange, and the food was delicious there. It was definitely an amazing experience. Anna is just one of the hundreds of English speakers I've helped become conversational in Italian so they can build these meaningful connections with people and actually go one step further than just ciao, come stai? And if hearing Anna's story inspired you and you want to take it one step further right now, then before we even jump into the rest of the video, comment free lesson below. And I'll send you the link on how you can learn Italian to become conversational and make these meaningful, deep connections with people also. So like I said, just comment free lesson below and I'll send over the link. Upon receiving this awesome email from Anna, I figured I could make a video on it so you can get started becoming conversational too. Be sure to like and subscribe, and let's dive right in. So before we delve into anything, and if you're subscribed, you know what I'm about to say, how I teach most of my lessons is I want you to repeat aloud whatever I say in Italiano. This way you can follow along and become more comfortable speaking. I also want you to freeze, go back, rewind, whatever you need to do so you can learn too. Our first conversational phrase is come va? How are you? How's it going? Come va? This is a more colloquial and different way of saying come stai? How are you? And I don't want to say that this is necessarily more common in Italian, but it is definitely a colloquial alternative. And in English too. Instead of saying, how are you? Sometimes we say, how's it going? Come va? And the response to this one could be, va bene, grazie, e tu? So, come va? Va bene. Number 2, di dove sei? Di dove sei? Where are you from? The response to this one is sono di. Di dove sei? Sono di Milano. Sono di New York. I really like to teach this phrase because you can continue the conversation after saying ciao, come stai, or even ciao, come va? Di dove sei? Oh, io sono di New York. Sono di Milano. You could keep it going, and that's the whole point of becoming conversational. This one is especially cool because not only are you furthering the connection with somebody and continuing the conversation, but it opens up new conversation. So you can talk about someone's hometown, or you could talk about your hometown and where you're from and how life is different. And that just adds to the real immersion that you're looking for in learning Italian. Number 3, cosa fai nel tempo libero? Cosa fai nel tempo libero? What do you do in your free time? This one's really great because you can continue the conversation once it starts to fade out. So if we go back to Anna from earlier, she could have asked the shopkeeper, cosa fai nel tempo libero? And make an even stronger connection. So this one is good when you want to learn about the daily life of somebody, whether they be Italian, Italian-American, and again, immerse yourself even more. Also, asking this really tells somebody on the receiving end that you care about their life, that you care about their culture, and that's important. So I definitely recommend you master this phrase. For the sake of learning here, if you could ask me one question about any of these phrases or responses, comment it, and let's make this a real learning environment and learn from each other. Number 4, anch'io. Anch'io. Me too. I like to include this one because it's super likely that you're going to meet someone and have something in common with them. So if someone says, mi piace il gelato, I like ice cream, then you can just say, anch'io. And this is an easy way to make friends because you have something in common with someone. So again, we are just building those connections and going deeper with somebody and building meaningful relationships. The last practical phrase for conversation here is dove si trova? Dove si trova il bagno? Where can I find the bathroom? So again, we would just want to say dove si trova and then the place. So if I wanted to ask where can I find the station, I could just say dove si trova la stazione? Dove si trova la stazione? Where can I find the station? Or if I wanted to ask where the restaurant is, I could just say, dove si trova il ristorante? Where's the restaurant? Where could I find the restaurant? And it's a very nice way to ask someone in Italian how to find something without forcing them to know English and reply to you back in English, which they might not know. If you're eager to dive deeper into practical and conversational Italian so you can make meaningful connections too, comment free lesson below and I'll send you over the link to our free lesson for beginners so you can become conversational and start making connections that last. Grazie mille for learning some quick conversational phrases with me today. If you're ready to dive into our next lesson, you can watch that right here. I'll be back next week with another lesson, so be sure to like and comment and subscribe and turn on the bell for notifications so you don't miss out when I post a new lesson. Grazie per aver guardato e ci vediamo alla prossima. Ciao!